Imagine picking up your phone and instantly streaming videos, playing games online with barely any lag, or watching cars and cities become smarter right before your eyes. This is the world we live in thanks to 5G technology. It's not just about faster downloads, it's about seamless connectivity that makes our daily lives more efficient and enjoyable. From smart traffic lights to connected home devices, 5G is already shaping the way we interact with technology. But as impressive as this sounds, there's an even bigger revolution on the horizon. The next leap is coming, and it's called 6G. Let's explore how this invisible revolution will change your future. 5G stands for the fifth generation of mobile networks. It's a major upgrade from 4G, offering much higher speeds, lower latency, and better connectivity for devices. With 5G, you can download a full HD movie in seconds, enjoy smooth cloud gaming without lag, and make video calls with almost zero delay. Smart traffic systems in cities are now possible, making roads safer and more efficient. 5G made technologies practical that were once impossible, opening doors to new ways of living and working. But what exactly makes 5G so powerful? Let's break down its key features. Impact of 5G can be seen in everyday life. Downloading a movie takes just seconds, cloud gaming is smooth and responsive, and video calls are almost instant. Cities are becoming smarter with traffic systems that react in real time, making commutes safer and more efficient. Factories are filled with sensors that monitor production, and entire cities are covered with connected cameras. These examples show how 5G is not just a technical upgrade but a transformation of how we live, work, and play. But the story doesn't end here. 5G introduced two major changes that set the stage for even bigger advancements. One of the biggest breakthroughs with 5G is its ability to connect millions of devices in a small area. Earlier networks struggled when too many devices tried to connect at once, causing slowdowns and dropped connections. With 5G, smart factories can have thousands of sensors working together, and entire cities can be filled with connected cameras and traffic systems. This massive device connectivity is what makes smart cities and advanced automation possible. It's a foundation for the future, where everything from cars to streetlights can communicate seamlessly. Latency is the delay between sending and receiving data. With 4G, online gaming had noticeable lag and remote control systems were often unreliable. 5G changed this by offering ultra-low latency, making real-time communication possible. Surgeons can now remotely control robotic equipment with precision, and self-driving systems react instantly to changes in their environment. This low latency is crucial for applications where every millisecond counts, such as healthcare, transportation, and emergency response. It's another step toward a world where technology responds as quickly as we do. Thanks to 5G, smart factories are now filled with sensors that monitor every step of production. Cities are equipped with connected cameras and traffic systems that keep everything running smoothly. This level of connectivity was impossible before, but 5G made it practical. The result is safer roads, more efficient factories, and cities that can respond to problems in real time. It's a glimpse into a future where technology works behind the scenes to make life better for everyone. 5G's ultra-low latency, surgeons can remotely control robotic equipment during operations, making healthcare more accessible and precise. Self-driving cars can react instantly to changes on the road, improving safety and efficiency. These advancements are only possible because of the reliable real-time communication that 5G provides. It's not just about faster internet, it's about enabling new possibilities in medicine and transportation that were once science fiction. Despite its power, 5G hasn't changed everything overnight. Many areas still lack true high-speed 5G, and building the infrastructure is expensive. High-frequency signals have a short range, meaning more towers are needed everywhere. In crowded cities, speeds can drop badly, and rural areas often receive weak coverage. So while 5G is a huge step forward, its deployment is still incomplete globally. This leaves room for improvement and sets the stage for the next big leap, 6G. Building a true 5G network requires massive investment in infrastructure. High-frequency signals don't travel far, so more towers are needed, especially in crowded cities. This makes deployment slow and costly. Even in places where 5G is available, speeds can fluctuate depending on how many people are connected. Rural areas often lag behind with weaker coverage and slower speeds. These challenges highlight the need for a new approach, which is where 6G comes in. Crowded cities, even with 5G, speeds can drop badly when too many people are connected. Rural areas often receive weak coverage, making it hard for everyone to benefit from the latest technology. This uneven distribution of connectivity is a major challenge for 5G, and it's one of the reasons why the next generation 6G is being developed. The goal is to create a network that works for everyone everywhere. While 5G is powerful, its deployment is still incomplete around the world. Some regions enjoy fast, reliable connections, while others struggle with slow speeds and weak coverage. The cost of building new towers and upgrading infrastructure is a major barrier. These issues show that even the most advanced technology can face real-world challenges. As we look to the future, 6G promises to address these problems and bring even greater connectivity. 6G is expected to arrive around 2030, and it's set to be much more than just faster internet. While 5G connected devices, 6G aims to connect intelligence itself. This means networks that can understand, learn, and adapt in real time. Imagine a world where your devices don't just communicate, they think and make decisions alongside you. 6G will bring new possibilities that go far beyond what we know today, changing the way we live, work, and interact with technology. Many people think 6G is just about faster downloads and smoother streaming, but that's only part of the story. The real shift is about connecting intelligence, not just devices. 6G networks will be able to understand and respond to your needs in ways that are currently impossible. This invisible revolution will change everything from how we work to how we play, making technology smarter and more responsive than ever before. 6G's goal is to connect intelligence itself. This means networks that can learn, adapt, and make decisions in real time. Imagine devices that anticipate your needs, cities that manage themselves, and cars that drive smarter than ever. 6G will enable a new level of automation and intelligence, making technology an active partner in your daily life. It's a step beyond connecting devices. It's about creating a world where technology thinks with you. 6G is expected to become available around 2030. Researchers and engineers are already working on the technology that will make it possible. The timeline may seem far off, but the groundwork is being laid today. As we move closer to this new era, the possibilities for smarter, more connected lives are growing. 6G will build on the foundation of 5G and take it to a whole new level. Core vision of 6G is to create networks that are not just fast but intelligent. These networks will be able to learn from data, adapt to changing conditions, and make decisions in real time. This will enable new applications in healthcare, transportation, and smart cities that are currently impossible. 6G is about creating a world where technology is an active partner, helping us solve problems and improve our lives. 6G devices will become smarter and more capable. They'll be able to understand your preferences, anticipate your needs, and respond instantly. Imagine a phone that knows when you need information, or a car that adjusts its route based on real-time traffic and weather. This level of intelligence will make technology more helpful and personalized, transforming the way we interact with our devices. 6G networks will be able to learn in real time, adapting to your needs and the environment. This means smarter cities that manage traffic and resources automatically, and devices that improve their performance based on how you use them. Real-time learning will make technology more responsive and efficient, creating a world where everything works together seamlessly. 6G will enable automation on a scale never seen before. From self-driving cars to smart factories, everything will be connected and able to make decisions on its own. This will make life easier, safer, and more efficient. Automation will free us from routine tasks and allow us to focus on what matters most. The invisible revolution of 6G is about making technology work for us in new and powerful ways. 6G cities will become smarter than ever. Traffic systems will manage themselves, energy grids will optimize usage, and public services will respond instantly to problems. This level of intelligence will make cities safer, greener, and more efficient. 6G will turn urban environments into living, breathing systems that adapt to the needs of their residents, creating a better quality of life for everyone. 6G will revolutionize healthcare by enabling real-time monitoring, remote surgery, and intelligent diagnostics. Doctors will be able to access patient data instantly, and medical devices will learn from each interaction. This will make healthcare more personalized and effective, saving lives and improving outcomes. The invisible revolution of 6G will bring new possibilities to medicine that were once unimaginable. 6G will make transportation smarter and safer. Self-driving cars will communicate with each other and the city infrastructure, avoiding accidents and optimizing routes. Public transit systems will adjust schedules in real time based on demand. This level of connectivity will make travel faster, more reliable, and more efficient. The future of transportation is about intelligent systems that work together for everyone's benefit. 6G will make technology more personalized than ever. Devices will learn from your habits and preferences, offering suggestions and solutions tailored just for you. Whether it's entertainment, shopping, or communication, everything will be optimized to fit your needs. This personalization will make technology feel like a trusted partner, helping you get more out of every day. 6G will enable intelligent communication between devices, people, and systems. Networks will be able to understand context, anticipate needs, and respond instantly. This will make communication more natural and efficient, breaking down barriers and bringing people closer together. The invisible revolution is about making technology smarter and more human. 6G networks will be able to learn from data and adapt to changing conditions. This means smarter systems that improve over time, offering better performance and reliability. Learning networks will make technology more responsive and efficient, creating a world where everything works together seamlessly. The future is about networks that grow and evolve with us. 6G will integrate artificial intelligence into the network itself. This means smarter decisions, faster responses, and more efficient operations. AI will help manage traffic, optimize resources, and personalize services. The combination of 6G and AI will create a world where technology is always learning and improving, making life easier and more enjoyable. As networks become smarter, security and privacy will be more important than ever. 6G will bring new ways to protect your data and ensure safe communication. Intelligent systems will detect threats and respond instantly, keeping your information secure. Privacy will be built into the network, giving you control over your data. The invisible revolution is about making technology safer for everyone. 6G aims to provide global connectivity, reaching every corner of the world. No matter where you live, you'll have access to fast, reliable networks. This will bridge the gap between urban and rural areas, making technology available to everyone. Global connectivity will create new opportunities for education, business, and communication, helping people connect and thrive. 6G will focus on sustainability, using energy more efficiently and reducing waste. Smart systems will optimize resource use, making technology greener and more eco-friendly. This will help protect the environment and ensure a better future for everyone. The invisible revolution is about making progress without sacrificing the planet. 6G will enable new business models and opportunities. Companies will be able to offer smarter services, personalized products, and real-time solutions. This will create new jobs and industries, driving economic growth and innovation. The invisible revolution is about unlocking potential and creating a world where everyone can benefit from smarter technology. 6G will transform education by making learning more interactive and personalized. Students will have access to real-time information, virtual classrooms, and intelligent tutors. This will make education more effective and accessible, helping people learn and grow no matter where they are. The invisible revolution is about empowering minds and creating opportunities for everyone. 6G will redefine entertainment, making streaming, gaming, and media more immersive and interactive. Real-time feedback and personalized content will create new experiences for users. The invisible revolution is about making entertainment smarter, more engaging, and tailored to your preferences. 6G will make remote work more efficient and productive. Real-time collaboration, intelligent tools, and seamless communication will help teams work together no matter where they are. This will create new opportunities for flexible work and global collaboration, making work smarter and more connected. 6G will make smart homes even smarter. Devices will learn your routines, adjust settings automatically, and keep you safe. Everything from lighting to security will be managed intelligently, making life more comfortable and convenient. The invisible revolution is about creating homes that work for you. 6G will enhance user experience by making technology more intuitive and responsive. Devices will understand your needs and preferences, offering solutions before you even ask. This will make technology feel more natural and helpful, improving every aspect of your daily life. The revolution brought by 6G will be invisible but powerful. Networks will work behind the scenes, making everything smarter, faster, and more efficient. You may not see the changes, but you'll feel them in every aspect of your life. The invisible revolution is about making technology a seamless part of your world. Building 6G will come with its own challenges. New infrastructure, smarter systems, and advanced security will be needed. Researchers and engineers are working to solve these problems, making sure 6G is safe, reliable, and accessible. The journey to 6G is about overcoming obstacles and creating a better future for everyone. The development of 6G will require collaboration between governments, businesses, and researchers. Innovation will drive progress, creating new solutions and opportunities. The invisible revolution is about working together to build a smarter, more connected world. As we prepare for 6G, it's important to understand the changes it will bring. Smarter networks, personalized experiences, and global connectivity are just the beginning. The invisible revolution will transform every aspect of life, making technology more helpful and responsive. Get ready for a future where intelligence is everywhere. 6G will impact every part of daily life, from how we communicate to how we work and play. Technology will become more integrated, making tasks easier and more enjoyable. The invisible revolution is about creating a world where everything works together for your benefit. The possibilities with 6G are endless. Smarter cities, personalized healthcare, efficient transportation, and immersive entertainment are just the beginning. The invisible revolution will unlock new opportunities and create a world where technology is always learning and improving. 6G promises to bring a new era of intelligent connectivity. Networks will be faster, smarter, and more responsive, making life easier and more enjoyable. The invisible revolution is about creating a world where technology works for you, helping you achieve more every day. As we look ahead to 6G, it's clear that the future will be shaped by smarter, more connected technology. The invisible revolution is already underway, changing the way we live, work, and play. Get ready for a world where intelligence is everywhere and technology is always working for you. In summary, 5G brought us faster speeds, lower latency, and massive device connectivity. But 6G is set to take things even further, connecting intelligence and creating smarter networks. The invisible revolution will transform every aspect of life, making technology more helpful, responsive, and integrated. The future is bright and the possibilities are endless. The invisible revolution of 6G is just beginning. As technology evolves, networks will become smarter, more responsive, and more integrated into our lives. The changes may be invisible, but their impact will be felt everywhere. Get ready for a future where intelligence and connectivity work together to create a world that's safer, smarter, and more enjoyable for everyone.